Karong hapon ato mahinabi ang bagong gobernador sa probinsya sa Sugbo din iyang ipaambit ang mga proyekto ug programa ubos sa iyang administrasyon. Ani ang GMA Integrated News Interviews. Gihulagway nga usa ka political shift ang kadag-ugan sa baguhay lang na proklamar nga Governor-Elect sa Sugbo nga si Pam Baricuatro. Busa, ila-ilahon ta ang bagong mulingkod sa labing taas nga posisyon sa probinsya sa Sugbo ug sayran ta ang iyang mga nag-unang programa ubos unya sa iyang administrasyon. Maayong hapon, Governor-Elect Pam Baricuatro, ug welcome sa Balitang Bisdak.
Maayong hapon, Cecil. Thank you kaayo for having me here no sa Balitang Bisdak. I'm delighted to be here. Thank you sa invitation.
Gov, it was described kining victory nimo nga usa ka political upset. You unseated a very seasoned politician dinhi sa Sugbo. And you got 1.1 million votes from the province of Cebu. How do you feel? Sa mga nakita kaha sa mga voters sa imuha, Gov, nga ikaw ang ilahang nabutaran?
You know, kuan kay ko, my heart is full of gratitude no sa kaning nahitabo diri ang mandato nga gihatag sa mga Sugboano nako. Kuan gyud kayo, overwhelming, unprecedented, you know. I did not expect this, but I think what people really needed no sa what people need sa probinsya is change na gyud. Nangita gyud sila og kabaguhan.
I understand before ka ni sulod sa natad sa politika, you took up law school for 3 years, you were a flight attendant abroad, and you also put up a foundation nga mo'y gikabisihan nimo, Gov. What do you think ang mga perspectives ug mga practices sa private sector experience nimo nga madala nimo unya sa government sector?
Yeah, I come from a service industry. What I can bring to the province, to the people of Cebu, is service. After all, I want to be considered as a public servant. No? So for me, this position is not about dominance. It's not about power. For me, it's about service. Servisyo para sa mga katawhan sa probinsya sa Sugbo.
Wala mo'y makinarya? Wala. And then simple lang ang inyuhang pag-abi-abi sa mga tao, pag-atubang ninyo sa mga tao. Pero usa mga challenges ato, Gov, sa inyuhang kampanya?
Amo yung challenges first and foremost is that to get my message across, to make people see nga naay ni dagan, nga naay ni barug para nila, no? Kana number one challenge na. Ikaduha, of course, ang funds, no? But luckily, we overcome that without any debts, no? I'm lucky because I have a very supportive husband also, no? And I have some friends ning tabang na wala sila ulterior motives but just to help. Katulo ka na yung political persecution ug kanang pangpanaot nga gubon gyud imong pagkatao para dili ka mapilian sa katawhan. But I am just so glad that the Cebuano voters have matured and they've managed to look beyond sa kanang mga pangpanaot diri nako.
Gov, we'd like to know also your family. Kasi syempre sila ang imuhang number one supporters. How did they feel about you running for governor ug karon nga midaog ka?
You know, honestly, at first, nagsabot mi nga, dili na lang ko magpadayon, no? So, we had a family meeting. But then, the following day, I woke up and my husband told me na, you would be, unsa na, kanang, talawan ka, you will not be brave if you will not, if you turn your back behind this challenge nimo, no? Because ako siyang, he told me nga, I sent you to Harvard to study public leadership, anya, di ka mo barog, ani. Gubitaw, no? Because one of the forgotten aspect of leadership is courage. So, mao gid to nga, I decided nga, kamudagan na lang yun, man na lang gani, kay ning sugot sila.
O karon nga, mulingkod ka isip gobernadora, what role would they play, your husband and Dr. Elise as well, ang imuhang only daughter?
My husband, of course, will go on with his work, no, because he needs to support us also. My daughter will play a very big role. Kay she is a master's in public health. So, she will advise me on our healthcare problem diri sa probinsya sa Sugbo.
Gov, you want to be known as the people's governor.
Yeah.
Unsa ang mga specific nga mga lakang nato niini, Doc, para mas mapaduol ang inyong serbisyo kanila?
I would want to reach out to the people as much as I can in my term. So we're thinking of putting satellite office, one in the north and one in the south. No? So I would still be talking to them every now and then as much as I can, no? And I will go and reach out to them as long as my schedule permits.
and gov reaction pud nimo because you have really big shoes to fill in.
Yeah.
Not only because of the previous governor, but the previous governors pagayud before her. How do you feel about this really big responsibility of handling Cebu province?
1.1 million votes, nisalig ni sila nako. Igo nako na sila mapakya. So dako kay na nako nga kuan jud ka ng ako ginang gidibdib ito. And I will take my job seriously. I can assure you.
Ug mao kadto ang unang hugna sa atong pakighinabi ni Cebu Governor-Elect Pam Baricuatro at ang iyang part 2 unya sa atong interview dinhi lang sa Balitang Bisdak.